looking for a trendy townhome in the heart of DC?
Well, we found that place, and you'll be very impressed with what this builder did with this new design and craftsmanship. With all high-end finishes and energy-efficient construction, 1302W Northwest Washington, DC is an absolute must-see. So let's go check it out.
This townhome is ideally located just steps away from all the popular bars, restaurants, shops, and nightlife in DC. And while you're continuously supporting your local businesses during this time, you can rest assured that you will never run out of food options to choose from and businesses to help. And did I mention that U Street Metro is just 2 blocks away?
This trendy 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home is 3 levels and a total of 2,000 square feet. And stepping in, you will immediately notice premium materials throughout and an open floor plan, hardwood oak floors to modern rails. This contemporary design is sure to impress. This builder went far past your typical builder-grade construction. With the overdone insulation, Anderson windows, and super quiet 7-unit Mitsubishi cooling and heating system, this home will challenge the energy efficiency of any home.
This high-end kitchen features Viking appliances, 15-foot quartz countertops, custom Wolf soft closing cabinets, and touchless Kohler faucets. And when everything is finally back to normal and you're ready for a much-needed girls' night, you will always be the hostess with the mostest.
And after a long day of being out on the town, you can come back and relax in your beautiful master bath with features like heated floors, modern tiles, and modern frameless sliding shower doors.
And you can get all of this at 1302 W Street Northwest in Washington, DC.
And we want to hear from you, so if you click below, we'll make sure that we schedule a tour for you right away.